I'm now going.
Piece of crap.
It was in the tall grass. Come on, man. How did you not
What did I
see
say?
it?
It could literally be grass, and he would know.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the Scratchverse, and today I'm playing Rain World, as you can see. I'm joined with my friend Max, say hello,
I
and my other friend Doggo, who rage quitted.
It begins.
It begins. But to let you guys know, I'm yellow and the fat one. Max is the white one. He's the.
You're not funny.
How? Oh,
Look, what did I say?
die.
What did I say? That right there. That
Okay.
right. I didn't even see it. Where was it?
It was
No,
right
explain.
here. It was right here in the open, wherever.
My
you can see.
lord, I'm gonna have to zoom that. I'm gonna have to zoom in on that spear while editing.
So. Okay, so for context, everyone, Doggo only rage quitted because I know where every spear is in this game.
Oh, you son of a.
So he's really mad at me right now.
He's like confused screaming. Y'all know that meme, confused screaming? Maybe Editor Scratch will put it on screen for y'all.
Please, let me in the fucking hole. Let me in!
Oh my.
Yeah, sorry if the quality's bad.
Of course.
Also, guys, I'm really sorry for not uploading for like over a week now. I've just been so busy with school and all that. Fuck you. You need to calm down.
The thing is, he's only watching me, viewers. He doesn't care about what Scats is doing. He's just watching me. Because I know where every...
Max literally knows where everything is. You see, Max plays this game way too much. I hate you.
I'm taking screenshots of the map just to find where the spears are. I hate Doggo. Guess what the spear is? Right here. Oh. Wait, he left.
Wait, did he leave?
Doggo.
No more. I can't stand you no more. I swear to God.
Hey, it's right here.
Bruh.
I cannot stand you.
Oh, it's right here.
I cannot fucking.
You know, how are you guys doing today? I mean, I'm personally doing pretty alright.
I feel
attacked.
Okay, that one was visible.
Give it. Ow. You weak ass. Bro, you're weak. Stop throwing shit. You're not gonna kill me. Holy God. You stupid chunky
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do so much censoring and editing. Expect Max to be in more videos because he's my friend. And we do a lot of things together. Ah.
Snipe shot. Hey, Doggo.
I'm now going.
Piece of crap.
It was in the tall grass. Come on. Man, how did you not
What did I
see
say?
it?
It could literally be grass, and he would know. That's crazy. I'm about to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
But again,
now,
I
So,
apologize, guys, for
there's
the
a
lack of
spear here.
uploads.
Oh my God! Of course you know that.
There's not a spear there, don't worry.
Again, I really
but-
apologize to you guys for the lack of uploads. Just school's been really just hard on me lately, and I just try to be getting as much stuff done as possible. But during the summer, I will definitely be uploading more.
No.
Where's the spear in this area?
No. I don't even want to talk to you no more.
What? I do. You're coming into the den with me. I don't care. You're my friend.
You're going to the poop dimension.
You're my friend now.
Chunky. Come on. No. Oh, you know what? Left behind.
I'm gonna have to bleep out so much stuff.
Oh no, this map is visible as spheres. Whatever shall I do? I'll just grab a spear and almost get almost get ground pounded by the...
You know, every time you curse, that's just like 2 more minutes of editing. You know that, right?
Sorry.
If y'all want more Rain World content, comment down below and maybe I'll do it. Please!
Oh, there's a spear right here. funny thing. There's a spear on the left side in that grass.
Spearmaster doesn't need auto-tune.
Hey, Doggo, look at this. Can you see the spear? Can you see the spear? You see it? Oh, you don't
You're
see
just
it.
bullying the
I do
crap out of
see it.
Doggo
Oh,
tonight.
That's what hurts. I do see it.
here it is. Oh, a wonderful spear, a wonderful delicacy to your balance practice, bro.
I hope Scratch impales you with one.
He can't. He's not good. I mean, he's not gonna. I don't know.
You mean?
It doesn't work. First off,
That's
you were tired.
stupid.
First off,
My
you were tired.
my water was open. I just got that all up down my leg.
Oh, L.
Oh no! Is there
Oh,
turtles here?
yeah,
The turtles make me have a seizure.
The spear is right there. This was an obvious one, so I don't know.
Water.
So
Ooh,
I
that
know where
is-
there's a spear right here. Surprisingly not. Oh, actually, yeah. Nope. Never mind.
Bruh.
He died because of a bomb spear. Bomb spears are OP. Simple. Blah blah blah.
Yeah. Maybe if you guys want like story mode, or maybe y'all want Pizza Tower because for some reason that has a lot of views. Please stop.
I fell.
Change the world. My final message. Goodbye.
I feel like Doggo has been DMing this entire time.
It was all an elaborate distraction.
Nice one.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
You're tired. You're tired. This isn't. That wasn't gonna end out in your favor.
Who?
Oh.
You can tell I really like this game.
So that one actually spawned on top of my den. We're gonna zoom in. We're gonna replay the.
Oh. You can tell I really like this game.
The footage and then zoom in.
I'm not doing a replay edit. You can go F yourself.
It's right up here. Took it. I was showing the viewers. What did I do?
Well, you could show them your death real quick.
Can you check if Doggo's still in the PC?
Yo, Doggo, are you good?
Oh, he is. He's just DMing. I can't see it because if I leave the tab, Scratch will break immediately. Oh,
Yeah,
nice throw.
most
Time to die.
likely. Yeah.
Oh. See, I know where another spear is, but I don't want it. So I do want it. I really do want it. I really do. Oh, you're tired. Goodbye. I gave you food. I threw the food at you. How do you feel? How do you feel? You caught that in your last dying
I
moment.
feel hungry. I hate this map.
That's fun.
Ha, Sargonia. I was being majestic.
See, everyone's gonna hate me for that. Everyone's going to hate me for that. Literally, no one saw that. I bet no one saw this.
20 people already unsubscribed.
Oh.
I don't even have that much of my subscriber count, but they did somehow.
Why are you following me?
Why are you following me? That's the true question.
Trying to find spears. I don't think there is any in this map, though. I wonder where would if I was a little.
And if y'all
spear-
wondering why I struggle to get through the little holes right here, I'm fat.
I don't think the spears.
Oh, well, come here then.
You're not crushing me.
Come here.
Yes, you guys might think this is an OP character. I'm actually very slow. I can jump really high, though.
Come here.
Damn.
Come here.
You okay? You okay down there?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Rock.
It's all good, brother.
Oh, actually, you gave me food. Thank you.
No. 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 No.
Don't worry, viewers. He's not getting it back. I think I'm going to die.
Hopefully.
There's nothing I can do here, so I'm gonna just let this happen. My entire neck went. Doggo angrily shaking in his chair, knowing there was no spears, but waiting for me to just pull one out of my ass.
Bro, the amount of bleeping I'm gonna have to do. Oh, is there?
Nope. There's a spear right in front of you,
Hey, that's
like,
cool.
like right on that.
Hey
ledge.
guys, we got our first dub.
Yeah, his first dub. So
You can tell Max sits literally in his room all day playing this game, so
leave me alone. Okay, there's like 5 spears at the bottom of the water. If y'all can see, if you can clearly see, there's 5, like 3 right there. Another one that I just accidentally dropped.
right.
So now your old YouTuber Scratch Pal is dead
Bro.
because I am the best. Doggo casually staring at me in the corner of the room, waiting to fucking rip my
Hey
throat
guys,
out.
that's what that's gonna do it for today's video.
Wow. Wow. We're just gonna cut it off there.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, outro time, shut your mouth. What a time!